Welcome back to our channel, where we always strive to bring you valuable information that makes a difference in your life. Today, we have something truly special for you dental health warriors out there. Are you struggling to find a way to access free dental care and make the most of your insurance benefits? Well, worry no more. In this video, we will share expert tips on how to unlock free dental care and maximize your dental insurance coverage. So without further ado, let's get started. Dental care is crucial for maintaining good oral hygiene and overall health. However, the cost of dental treatments can sometimes be a burden, making it challenging to receive the care we need. The good news is that there are ways to unlock free dental care and maximize your insurance benefits to alleviate this financial burden. Here are some expert tips to help you on your journey. Tip 1. Understand your dental insurance plan. To maximize your dental insurance benefits, it is essential to thoroughly understand your plan. Review your plan documents carefully and familiarize yourself with the coverage provided. Take note of your deductibles, annual maximums, copayments, and any exclusions. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions about which services you can receive at minimal or no cost. Tip 2. Schedule regular preventive checkups. Prevention is key to maintaining good dental health. Most dental insurance plans cover preventive services such as routine checkups, cleanings, and X-rays at little to no cost. By scheduling regular preventive appointments, you can identify and address any potential issues before they become more significant problems. Take advantage of these covered services to save money and keep your smile in top shape. Tip 3. Timing is everything. Understanding the timing of your dental treatments is crucial to maximizing your insurance benefits. Many dental plans renew on an annual basis, meaning any unused benefits from the previous year will not roll over. To make the most of your coverage, try to schedule any necessary treatments before the end of the year. By doing so, you can utilize the remaining benefits and avoid losing them. Tip 4. Choose in-network dentists. Selecting a dental provider who is in network with your insurance plan can make a significant difference in cost savings. In-network dentists have negotiated fees with the insurance company, resulting in reduced prices for covered services. Before scheduling an appointment, check if the dentist is in network to ensure you receive the maximum insurance benefits available. Tip 5. Utilize flexible spending accounts. If your employer offers a flexible spending account (FSA) or health savings account (HSA), take advantage of it. These accounts allow you to set aside pre-tax money to cover eligible medical expenses, including dental treatments. By allocating funds to your FSA or HSA, you can effectively reduce your out-of-pocket costs while maximizing your insurance benefits. And there you have it, 5 expert tips to unlock free dental care and maximize your insurance benefits. By understanding your dental insurance plan, scheduling regular preventive checkups, being mindful of timing, choosing in-network dentists, and utilizing flexible spending accounts, you can save money and receive the dental treatments you need. Remember, your dental health is essential, and by following these strategies, you can keep your smile shining without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.